Hey, what's up you guys? I just got done cooking on my Blackstone. I'm gonna show you how I clean it. I'm also gonna do some re-seasoning just because I feel like it needs it. I do this ever so often, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. To clean your Blackstone, you're gonna need some paper towels, some oil and some water, a little scraper tool, and some tongs. It's been a little bit since I was out here cooking on it, so I have my burners on high. We're just trying to get it very, very hot. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape everything off and put it into the drip tray. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go in with some water. My burners are still on high. And you're just gonna let it steam off. This is gonna get all that excess gunk that's built up on your Blackstone. Go in with your scraper and scrape everything off. Be careful because it will burn you. It hurts. I need gloves or like a mitt or something. It looks like I got everything off, but I am gonna go over it again just to make sure. I like to keep this nice and clean. If you were just cleaning and not re-seasoning, this is when you would turn off your Blackstone, but I'm gonna leave mine on because I'm gonna re-season it. I am gonna go in with a paper towel and just try to make sure everything is nice and dry. And sometimes it is really black, so I will go over it a few times if I need to. And just really scrub it. I'm gonna do 2 rounds of paper towels. Really get the edges, make sure that's nice and clean. I've just been noticing a few chips, so that's why I'm re-seasoning today. You do not have to do this every single time you get done cooking. Every now and then, just throw in a few layers of seasoning and you're good. I'm just using the griddle seasoning. I bought this off Amazon, I really like it. I'm just gonna take like a little spoonful like this, throw it on. My griddle is still on high. There it goes. And then you're gonna take a paper towel and just move it all around, make sure everything is coated. You don't need a lot of this. A little bit will go a long way. You don't wanna forget the sides. Also do out here too. So what's gonna happen now, it's gonna start smoking and you're just gonna let it go until it stops smoking, and then you're gonna do another layer. And you're just gonna do as many as you need until it's done. Usually takes about 15 minutes, so it's still on high. I'm just gonna let it do its thing and I'll show you when it's done. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead in with another layer. And same exact thing, just mix it all around. We're just gonna let that smoke off, and I might do one more layer. We're gonna see. So the second layer is all done, and I think we're actually good. I was gonna do 3 layers, but this looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna cut the heat. Turn this off. Cut that. So the burners are off, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil on top. And this is what you would do if you weren't re-seasoning. So after you get done with the water, you're gonna turn off all the burners, turn off the propane, and then add a thin layer of oil. This is just gonna help your Blackstone not get rusty. Make sure you get all the edges. Oh, it looks so good. And just like that, you have a nice, clean, seasoned Blackstone. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll have everything linked in the description. Let me know if you guys want to see like more cooking videos out here. I can just do long form videos. Just let me know. Thank you guys for watching.